Welcome to our comprehensive guide on shower enclosures. Today, we're comparing kit showers with custom shower enclosures to help you make the best choice for your bathroom renovation. Kit showers are a popular choice for their convenience, but let's delve into their specifics. Limited customization. These come in preset sizes and styles which might not fit every bathroom's layout or aesthetic. Installation options. You can either install these yourself or hire a contractor. Remember, DIY saves costs but requires skill. Size and fit issues. A common challenge is the fit, especially if your walls aren't perfectly straight. Parts and upgrades. Finding replacements or upgrading parts can be tough, often leading to purchasing a whole new kit. Short-term value. While less expensive up front, the long-term costs due to replacements can add up. Now, let's explore the world of custom shower enclosures. Professional site visit. Companies like Centennial Glass offer personalized service including detailed measurements and designs. Unlimited customization. From parts to style, everything is customizable to match your decor. Perfect fit. Custom cutting and fitting ensure a seamless match with your unique bathroom space. Built-in coatings. These enclosures come with coatings for easier cleaning and maintenance. Renovation integration. Custom designs mean your shower fits into your renovation plan, not the other way around. Ease of updates. With accessible replacement parts, updating your shower becomes a breeze. Long-term value. A custom enclosure is a lasting investment, maintaining its value and appeal over time. Expert support. With Centennial Glass, you get exceptional after-sales support and warranties. As we've seen, while kit showers offer initial convenience, custom enclosures provide lasting quality, customization, and value. Choosing a custom shower, especially from experts like Centennial Glass, means investing in a bathroom that meets your needs today and for years to come. Thank you for watching. For more information and to explore your options, visit Centennial Glass in Ottawa. Don't forget to download our guide, 19 Pro Tips for Designing Your New Shower Enclosure, linked below. See you next time.